partly cloudy.
Finally.
In the lower 60s.
Is that?
Sunday, partly
Nope,
cloudy.
severe thunderstorm watch.
Highs in the lower 80s. Sunday night, partly cloudy. Lows in the upper 50s. And for
Alright, come on.
partly cloudy.
Air it.
Around 80. You're listening to North Weather Radio, KZD 57 in Rockford, serving north central Illinois, including Rockford, Belvidere, and DeKalb. The current time is 3:18 p.m. Central Daylight Time. The following is a summary of watches, warnings, and advisories in effect. Rockford and surrounding communities. A flood watch has been issued from 6 p.m. until
Come on, air it.
Tuesday for the following county, Stevenson, Illinois. Severe thunderstorm watch number 539 has been issued until 11 p.m. for the following counties in Illinois, Lee, Ogle, Stevenson, and Winnebago, and the following counties in Wisconsin, Green, and Rock.
Dude, are they gonna air it yet?
Advisory remains in effect until 7 p.m. for the following counties in Illinois, DeKalb, Lee, and Ogle. A heat advisory remains in effect until 8 p.m. for the following county, Stevenson, Illinois. The following is a heat advisory from the National Weather Service, which includes the following counties in Illinois, DeKalb, Lee, and Ogle. What heat index values of 105 to 110 expected? Where portions of central, east central, north central, and northeast Illinois. When through 7 p.m. this evening. Impacts. Hot temperatures
Okay, come on, air
may
it.
cause heat illnesses to occur. Drink plenty of fluids. Stay in an air-conditioned room.
Come on.
Stay out of the sun and check up on relatives and neighbors. Young children and pets should never be left unattended in vehicles under any circumstances. Take extra precautions if you work or spend time outside. When possible, reschedule strenuous activities to early morning or evening. Know the signs and symptoms of heat exhaustion and heat stroke. Wear lightweight and loose-fitting clothing when
Come on, dude.
to reduce risk during outdoor work.
There it is.
The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 539, effective until 11
We're gonna
p.m.
get a TOA.
This watch includes the following counties in Illinois: Bureau, Carroll, Lee, Marshall, Ogle, Stevenson, Whiteside, Winnebago, and Woodford, and the following counties in Wisconsin, Green, and Rock. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to Noaa Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. This is Noaa's Weather Radio.
We're in a 4 out of 5 risk now.
57 in Rockford. Severe weather is occurring or forecast to occur in our listening area. This station will broadcast severe weather on planes to Winnebago, Boone, DeKalb, Ogle, Stevenson, and Lee, as well as Rock and Green counties in Wisconsin.
I think ours might be though. Because it's only for Winnebago.
KZD 57
We
in
aren't in it.
Rockford.
What?
Severe weather is occurring or forecast to occur in our listening
Why
area.
is ours going to be higher?
This station will
Because we're in higher
broadcast
risk.
severe weather alarm tones for Winnebago, Boone, DeKalb,
Winnebago's also in
Ogle,
Vermont.
Stevenson, and Lee counties in Illinois, as well as Rock and Green counties in Wisconsin.
There's the actual watch
Standard
area.
broadcasts will
Yeah,
be
I saw
prepared to
it.
bring you the latest severe weather
Me,
information.
you'll put the more away and grab my iPad.
This is Noaa Weather Radio.
Dude, we're gonna monitor it
57
with
in
the 10
Rockford.
Tor. There's no way that
Severe weather
we're.
is
Yes, I
occurring
know.
or
See,
But they're
forecast
probably
to
gonna
occur in
issue
our
2
listening
watches.
area. This station
Because
will
the 10 Tor is
broadcast
more
severe
for
weather
us.
alarm
Yeah.
tones for Winnebago,
Probably
Boone,
the highest
DeKalb,
probability.
Ogle,
That's funny because the
Stevenson,
other
and
day they were
counties
saying
in
the highest
Illinois,
risk for
as
tornadoes
well
in
as
East Carolina.
Rock and Green
Yeah.
counties in Wisconsin. Standard broadcasts
I have a
will be
feeling we're gonna
prepared
get
to
out.
bring you the latest severe weather information. The current time is 3:22
I think we're going to get
Central Daylight Time.
QLCS spam.
The following is a
Yeah.
summary of watches, warnings, and
Oh, yeah, I
advisories
still got
in
this
effect. Rockford and